In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple black soap, so make sure you watch till the end. Hello, welcome to Formulate Lab, a place where you can learn how to formulate your skin and hair care products from scratch, and a place where you can gain extensive knowledge as a cosmetic formulator. So if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So for this formulation, you are going to be using 7 ingredients, and as you watch the video, you are going to discover the ingredients you'll be needing and the quantity of each ingredient. The major ingredient you'll be using for this formulation is the black soap. Black soap is a natural cleanser. It also helps to remove excess oil and dirt from the skin. You will also be needing a preservative, and for this formulation, I used Germall Plus. The third ingredient is carrot oil. Carrot oil brightens the skin. It also helps to keep the skin soft and smooth, and for this formulation, you'll be needing it to melt your soap. The next ingredient you'll be using is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It will also help to prolong the shelf life of your soap. Also, you will need a fragrance oil. For this formulation, I used lemon fragrance oil, and fragrance is optional. You can decide to leave your soap that way. The next ingredient you'll be using is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It helps to draw moisture to the skin. You will also be using licorice root powder. It helps to slow down premature aging. It reduces the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. You will be needing a spatula or a spoon to mix your soap, and of course a digital scale for measurement. The first thing you need to do is to measure your black soap. After that, you then go ahead to pieces your black soap. You shred it so that it will be easy for you to melt it. After that, pour the shredded soap into a pot. Then measure your carrot oil and add it to the soap. The next thing to do is to place your soap on fire and allow it to melt. Make sure you stir till the soap is completely melted. So here I am done melting my soap. I didn't show the part where I placed my soap on the fire. Just make sure you stir till it melts completely. So allow the soap to cool a bit, then add the glycerin, vitamin E, licorice root powder, the fragrance oil, then mix thoroughly till all the ingredients are combined. Lastly, add your preservative and stir again. Then store your soap in a clean container. And yes, we just finished making our black soap. One thing I love about this black soap is that it cleanses the skin well, and even though it is soapy, it doesn't leave the skin dry. It leaves the skin hydrated. So if you like to customize your black soap for specific purposes such as skin brightening, anti-aging, face care, acne treatment, exfoliation and body wash, you will surely need this recipe book. It contains 40 effective black soap recipes for all the purposes mentioned. It's available on our website, and I'll be dropping the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.